Brad Williams, XL Primed. How about using the MROUND? What's the MROUND? Rounds retail prices to its nearest C5 multiple. The MROUND function can be used to round a number to its nearest multiple, nearest retail price, not price, or nearest $5. Here's the formula. MROUND B5C5. Well, we're familiar with the arrangement here. All we're going to do, what's its multiple? We're using 4. What would be its multiple? Quick math. What is 9 times 4? 36. 2046 with a multiple of 9 is going to be what? Is it 3 or is it 2? If it's 2, then it'll be 18. If it's 3, this would be 21. So they're going to stay positive. 0.09, that's going to be, I'm not even going to go down that road. 49 would be 4753. And then 1 will be a integer. Hit F9. The numbers here are fixed, so you can see how the change. You can see if a multiple of 4, 349, it's going to be a 4. It seems that it wants to always go up. 9, so 16, and this thing is pretty aggressive. See how it goes from 16 to 18. Why didn't it go to 7? I don't have that answer. Or 8. 8 would be a better answer. A multiple of 8 is closer to 16. It's rounding up. This number, the MROUND function rounds a given number to its nearest multiple. The multiple to be used for rounding is specified by its whatever that significant argument. If the number is already an exact multiple, there's no rounding. MROUND can round price, times, etc. In the following example, MROUND is used to round the price in column B. This instructs us to the round value and C to the nearest multiple of the value. MROUND, see, to me, 8 would be the better choice. But this thing is rather aggressive, and then it pushes it all the way up. So it's not going to go down. What do I mean by 8? 16 divided by 8, 18. It's going to use 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, and it's an equivalent. 3748 by 09, 0.10 F9. You can see here 5177 and 0.10 is just going to round this up, the closest multiple. That's what I was trying to find out. You can see 41, but here it goes down. In the last example, it went up. 3730, see, it went down. And here it went down. On that other 1602, it went up. So I don't know where that threshold is. Here it goes down. No, it went up. You can't really predict what this thing's going to do. F9, it went up here. See how it's rounding up here instead of going to 1680. It went to 1690. F9, and that kind of makes sense. 3180, see it goes down. All right, so I guess 3185, it's going to go up to 3190, 84999 is going to go down to 3180. So 6247 is going to go up 75. There's that middle point, and it went up. So it could be 0.75001, and then it rounds up. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks.